यात्रा करते समय अपनी सीट पर सामान रखें। Passengers are requested.
Romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I'd find a lover that could hold.
Hi guys, I just got back from work and as you can see I'm so sweaty and so tired, but right now I just got my Amazon order which I have ordered few days back, like 5-6 days back, and I was really excited for this one. So I just cannot wait. I thought like I will unbox it right now and I will also record it for you guys to see. So keep watching.
Romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I'd find a lover that could hold me. Now I'm crying in my room, so skeptical, but still I wanted more. I gave a second chance to Cupid, and now I'm left here feeling too bad.
So guys, this is how it looks after the setup. I have kept my books, some perfume, some Pinteresty clip on the first floor, I would say, I don't know. Then on the second I kept my makeup, my lipstick, and on the third my skincare. This is how it looks and I'm so happy about it. Damn good, very tasty.
새로 샀나? 어제도 입었잖아요. 야, 빨리 가자. 오늘 엄마 생일이야. 몇 시간데?
Hey guys, it's my desk and I want to do a desk makeover, but I don't know what to add since I don't study much nowadays. Hi guys, I'm sitting on my desk and I was cleaning my desk and I realized something. I have realized that nowadays I don't journal at all. There was a time when I used to journal so much. I used to write about my thoughts, my feelings, things I'm grateful for. And those days, I was quite mindful of what I'm speaking, how my days are going. Those days I was happy, but nowadays I don't talk to myself. I don't plan the day. I just go with the flow, and I feel like things are not on my hand because I don't plan anything. So today, after so long, I sat here because I know that if I don't sit here, I won't do anything. I'll simply watch something on my bed and I'll sleep. So today I have decided I will at least write something. At least I'll write a page on things I'm grateful for. And nowadays I don't wake up early. Means I don't like waking up early anyway. I am a very night person, but I wake up, like, my work is from 10:30, right? And I wake up at 9:45, just few minutes before, just to get ready. I'm so lazy. So I am thinking, like, I need to wake up early. I need to start waking up early. Little steps. So I will just write something right now and see you guys later. After a long time, guys, I'm playing a lo-fi song, if you all can see, just as in background music.
우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all. 어젯밤과 함께 떠난 게 넌 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아. 발장을 끼지 않고 걷기로 해. 억지로 웃음 짓지 않기로 해.